Tell me why there's a section for Yoda, but not Barbie. Hi Princess Squad, it's T here. I'm at Target in the Barbie section and I'm close to the back to school section. I'm here with my Barbie purse. I'm going to be doing a back to school supply challenge Barbie edition. Love my purse I got from Forever 21.
Before I check out the back to school section, I want to take a look at the Barbie section. There are so many new Barbie toys. This one right here is a Barbie Corvette remote control, super cool. There's Ken, I am Kenneth. Here we have all of the Barbies. There are so many different types of profession and vibes. You can be anything you want to be with these Barbie, but I'm looking for a specific Barbie. Can you guess which one it is? I hope that I find it today. I've been wanting this so badly. It is the Target Barbie, and I found it, you guys. I love Target, and I'm adding it to my cart. Next up, I'm looking for a backpack. I found this in the clothes section, adding it to my cart. It's hot pink, I love it. I also found a belt bag, adding that to my cart also. I also found this really cute hot pink headband.
Okay, now this is cute, adding to the cart.
And to my surprise, I found Barbie makeup. What? Let me know if you want to see a full face of makeup, which is Barbie makeup.
I wonder how this would look like, adding to my cart.
Finally, let's check out the back to school section. First up, backpacks. I know I got the hot pink one, but I want to take a look at these here. There's a big and a small one, but I like this hot pink one better, I think. There's a whole bunch over here, but no Barbie one to be found. Next up, floaters. I really like this pink one with the palm trees, and of course the hot pink Barbie looking one, adding both of them to my cart. And we're going to get a lunchbox. This is super cute and pink, adding it to my cart. And now scissors. I found the hot pink pair of scissors, adding that to my cart. I definitely need this really cute pink thermos cup.
Tell me why there's a section for Yoda, but not Barbie.
Next up, notebooks. I really love the ombre on this one.
Binders time.
Easy peasy hot pink binder, adding it to my cart. I spy a really cute pen. This one is a Pop-It, adding that to my cart. And then I see my favorite felt tip marker pens. I love these so much. Now I'm looking for highlighters. That's not pink. That's not pink either. It's all yellow. But I found this one and it has pink in it. Someone explain this to me. How come there's red pens and blue pens, not pink pens? As for glue, there's white glue and purple glue, no pink. Next up, pencil pouches. There's so many to pick from. There's this cute purple and pink one. There's this Pop-It one, this cute pencil one. I'm going to add this one to the cart. Even though this polka dot one's cute too, and this pencil box, I love it. And this tie-dye looking one. I'm really torn between this pencil box and this other one here, but I think I'm gonna go with the clear plastic one.
Locker decor.
Next up, pink lockers decor. This is so cute, adding to my cart, and of course this furry rug. Notebooks are up next, and I really like this one because it reminds me of Malibu Barbie. I didn't find any pink pencils. There's only yellow and black and colorful rainbow, but I did find a whole bunch of pink erasers, adding that to my cart.
I got my cart. Now it's time to go to my secret school supply section.
Come on, Barbie, we're going on a long journey to the other side. On the way, I saw this really cute clear iridescent pouch, but it's purple and not pink. I love it though. Okay, here we are, school/office supplies. There's a whole bunch of more cute supplies here. Here I found a planner. And I found a whole bunch of pens. Let's see if we find a pink one. That has pink. This gel pen set has pink. Let's go with this one. Next up, pencils. This one has pink in there, and so does this one, has a whole bunch, so we're gonna go with that. And we have stationery accessory. Let's go with this. And I found pink glue. Glitter glue. I'm loving my Barbie pink cart. It makes me so happy.
Alright Barbies, that's the end of today's challenge. What do you think of everything that I got for our back to school supply challenge Barbie edition? Let me know which one was your favorite pink item. Mine are these cute erasers. Follow me on our TikTok and Instagram at PrincessSquad.Official. And always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!